Welcome to Slide Egg. Let me show you how to easily add and change bullet point colors in Google Slides. First, open your Google Slides presentation. Start by selecting the text box where you want to add bullet points. Now, on the right side of the toolbar, you'll see the bullet point option. Click on it, and you'll notice different bullet styles appear. Simply pick the one you like. Once you've added bullet points to your text, it's time to make them pop by changing their colors. Here's how: double-click on a bullet point to select it. Then, go to the text color option in the toolbar. Pick any color you want, and just like that, your bullet point will change color. Cool, right? Repeat the same steps for the other bullets, and you're done. See? That was super simple. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add and change bullet point colors in Google Slides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more helpful tips.